Conducting a vehicle inspection in ICO. To conduct an inspection, click Vehicle Inspection and you will see this screen. You will need to verify the vehicle by entering the VIN or registration plate number and chassis number depending on when the vehicle was manufactured, and click Verify. If the vehicle is unregistered, you can enter No Rego as one word in the registration plate number field. ICO will try to verify the vehicle's details against TMR's registration system. If the vehicle details can't be verified, you can still record the inspection in ICO by clicking Manual. Once the vehicle is verified, you'll be taken to the Customer and Vehicle Details screen. Customer details are optional, but all the relevant vehicle details fields must be completed for the vehicle you are inspecting. Once you have completed these details, click Continue. You will see the Inspection Details screen. You must enter the date and time that the physical inspection of the vehicle was conducted. Select the relevant reasons for ejection if the vehicle has failed the inspection. Enter the brake test results and upload a copy of the results for light vehicles, heavy vehicles, and motorcycles. You can also choose to upload additional photos to support the inspection result. Complete all questions and select Pass or Fail to indicate the inspection result. After all customer, vehicle, and inspection details are entered, you must review all information to ensure it is correct. If all the information is correct, click Continue. If you are an approved examiner and an approval holder and you wish to approve your own inspection, click Approve Now. If you are not an approval holder, select Submit for approval. If you are an approval holder and an approved examiner at your AIS has submitted an inspection for approval, you will see Vehicle Inspections Pending Approval on your home screen. To approve the inspection, click Approve in the Action column. You will see this screen, which summarises the inspection details. You must review all information before approving or rejecting the inspection. If the inspection details are correct, select Approve. To confirm approval of the inspection, select Confirm to issue the inspection certificate. If the inspection details are incorrect, select Reject to return the inspection to the approved examiner for correction. The approved examiner can access rejected inspections in their home screen. Once approved, the inspection record will be complete, and you will then have the option to click Print Certificate to provide your customer with a hard copy of the certificate. If your customer's email address was entered, the certificate will be automatically emailed to them. Incorrect inspection certificates and reports. To cancel an incorrect certificate, click Vehicle Inspections Records from the main menu. Search for the inspection record by entering the inspection number or registration plate number in the search field. Click Cancel for the incorrect vehicle inspection record. You'll be asked to confirm that you wish to cancel the certificate. The status will change to Cancelled. Defect Inspections. If you are inspecting a vehicle to clear a defect notice, click Defect Inspection from the main menu and you will see this screen. Enter the defect notice number and either the VIN or registration plate number and chassis number and click Verify. If the defect notice can be cleared using ICO, you will then be taken to this screen. Complete the required fields and click Confirm, and you will then have the option to click Print Confirmation Notice and provide your customer with a hard copy of the notice. If your customer's email address was entered, the confirmation notice will be automatically emailed to them. Managing Vehicle Inspection Reports. To view inspection records in ICO, click Vehicle Inspections Records on the main menu. You will then be taken to this screen, where you can search for inspection records using any of the information in the Vehicle Inspection Records screen. If you wish to view more records, click Load Next 100 Records. Inspection records can also be sorted by clicking on the column headings. You can also search inspection records using the VIN or chassis number using the advanced search.